BTP. Okay, so let's start with the BTP. So nowadays, wherever you go, so maybe any interview point of time, any technical discussions, any company, the projects, so they're planning to go with the BTP, right? So what is BTP exactly, right? BTP is a cloud platform. It's a cloud. It's not a tool. It's not a software. It's not a some kind of piece of software or agent. It's a cloud platform that helps companies to move companies to move or integrate their existing landscape from so on-prem or any private cloud to the BTP. So the companies, they can integrate the systems, they can manage the data, they can develop the applications, and they can create the digital innovations and all those things they can create it. Why? Because in the BTP is a it contains the set of tools, set of services, set of applications. That applications and tools will help us to build the new applications. The tools will help us extending the SAP systems. The tools will help us for analyzing the data. The tool will help us automating the business process. Everything is in one place. Everything is in one place here. The everything is in one place. So that's why SAP introduced a unique powerful solution is called the BTP. BTP means SAP Business Technology Platform. Business Technology Platform here, right? So the short abbreviation is BTP, Business Technology Platform here. So SAP, they have rebranded their product. They have rebranded their product in 2021. In Jan 2021, they have rebranded the product. They have introduced their new name is called the BTP. So which means, sir, they have rebranded means it's already new or it's already old. Yeah. So if I talk about the some history about the BTP, how SAP rebranded their existing product from HANA Cloud Platform to SCP to BTP, how they have introduced it here, right? So little bit we'll talk about the history. In 2012, actually SAP is BTP is a platform as a based concept, PaaS platform as a service based concept here, right? So which means normally in the cloud terminologies we have the three services. I hope everybody knows, right? So in the cloud terminology we have the IaaS and PaaS and SaaS, which means infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service here. They are the three services are available in the cloud platform here, right? So the companies, the customers, they can opt any one of the service. If they want to only infrastructure, they can go for the infrastructure as a service based model, and only platform as a based model, and only softwares, infrastructure plus software also it's required, then they can go for the SaaS models here, SaaS models here, right? So but SAP, they have already entered into the PaaS market in 2012. In 2012 itself, they have entered into the PaaS market. That time, that is called the SAP NetWeaver. NetWeaver is the one of the product. With that NetWeaver cloud, they have entered into the PaaS market here, right? The short name is called the Neo. Neo means NetWeaver on demand. NetWeaver on demand here, right? So 2012 itself, they have entered into the PaaS market here. After that, they have slightly changed their naming convention in the 2013 to SAP. So NetWeaver Cloud to HANA Cloud Platform. HANA Cloud Platform. So normally, short name we will call it as the HCP here. HANA Cloud Platform here, right? After that, they have introduced the some other features in the HANA Cloud Platform. Then, but 2017 itself, they have dropped HANA word. They have dropped. Why? Because some people are thinking like it's only for the HANA Cloud Platform. It's not for the other SAP services. Then they have dropped HANA word. Then they have introduced the SCP, means SAP cloud platform here, SAP cloud platform here, which means in that they have dropped this HANA word, just they have make it as a so cloud platform here, right? So then this went few days, they have used it. SAP, maybe we know some many of the people knows like SAP cloud platform, SAP cloud platform. Then so they have after that slowly in 2021 the cloud platform was officially retired to support the SAP. So one strategy means BTP was introduced as a new brand, means it's not a replacement of the SAP. They have just changed the new brand as a BTP, the BTP Business Technology Platform here, new brand name. So the BTP provides the extended functionality of the SAP here. It's not like that replacement of the, it's not a replacement of the cloud platform. It's provide the extended functionality here, right? But however, the core is still equivalent to what is formally known as the cloud platform here. It's not a, as I mentioned here, it's not a one-to-one replacement. It's a, the cloud platform makes everybody can understand it's a cloud platform only. SAP is providing only cloud related services only, we can use it. But the new name, the BTP, they can understand it's a technology. Why? Because SAP is not just providing the cloud related services, they are providing more than that. They are providing more than that here, right? So that's why so SAP was focused on the main focus on when the cloud platform originally the focused on providing the cloud-based services for the business in the SAP. But the time went on, SAP realized that their platform was offering more than cloud services. It's also included in the technologies for the application development, integration, analytics, more to better reflect their brand, means there are range of offerings, and so they have decided to rebrand their platform as a BTP, better business technology platform here, so that the new name whatever they have rebranded from the SAP to BTP, the new name helps to customers to understand this platform is not limited to the cloud. It's also include the various technologies to help business with their overall technology needs and everything. So to summarize, SAP rebranded their cloud platform to BTP to better reflect in the market. Better reflect in the market here. So they are not only just providing the tools and services, some technologies, some automation related things, some AI related support, development related things. They're providing many things. That's why it's a unique, powerful solution offering called the BTP here. So nowadays it's playing the very major roles. It's in the entire SAP ecosystems. It's playing the very major role for the SAP ecosystems here, right? So the people who can serve, that's fine. BTP introduction, okay, that's fine. But what about the who will get benefits? Who will get benefits if I want to use it? Who will get benefit here? Here the scenario, existing who are already in the SAP or non-SAP existing customer here. Suppose example, if you take the so existing customer, SAP customer, they want to build the cloud solution to extend SAP systems like success factors, SS4HANA. The customer need to the services for the integrations, right? They want to extend, then they need to go with the success factor Ariba. That time they want to use this kind of services, they want to integrate it, right? So in this scenario, existing customers can get benefit, right? And also the new customers also will get benefit. How? Means there is an organization, okay? They want to build some cloud solutions or some mobile solution. In this solution, they need to integrate multiple systems, right? They want to automate the complex business process. They want to incorporate the new technologies and machine learning, so AI related things. That time, so both the scenarios, like existing customers and new customers, they want to use the BTP services or BTP solutions here. In the both the scenarios, the organization wants to build the new solutions with minimum effort, right? So normally always some customers always look like so minimum effort, right? And the low cost, minimum effort and low cost and the faster time to gain the market here, gain the market. So they always look this kind of things here, right? Why? Because they don't prefer to spend the money and time on the things, landscapes that normally, suppose example, if you take if they need ADS forms, they required. Normally, what they have to do, they need to purchase the infrastructure. On top of, we need to build the operating system, then database, SAP NetWeaver application, then ADS license, right? So then there are the many things we need to work on this part and it time-taking procedure, like installation, landscape setup, configurations, and the maintenance activities. Separate dedicated team for the this one, right? Simply in the BTP, they can pick up the ADS service. Simply they can start using that ADS service instead of people. Suppose like normally we know NetWeaver system support the ADS configurations, right? So what we have to do, we need to purchase the hardware, right? Then on top of operating system, we have to purchase separate license is required. Then DB we have to install it. Then we have to install the SAP applications also. We have to install it, NetWeaver application. Then we need to install the ADS service and the license also you required. So then ADS service and license also you required. Here you require the ADS license, SAP NetWeaver license, DB license, and also operating system license and hardware also you need to procure it. And it's time taking procedure for build all those things, and separate team is required, maintenance activities and support activities. Oh my God, lot of things required. So here they don't want to prefer to spend more money, and the things like landscape setup, system installation, configurations, and maintenance here, right? So to avoid this kind of things here, SAP BTP, so they are providing the each and everything. There is a replacement in the BTP side. So they are providing the ADS service in the BTP, so that simply we can pick up the ADS service. We can concentrate on the business logic instead of you concentrating on the technical setup and everything. So you can directly concentrate on the business logic here, right? So here they need to build the new cloud solutions and they want to extend the existing SAP solutions here, right? So here BTP is providing whatever you required, whatever the existing customers and the new customers are required. So it's a one-stop shop for all your need in the BTP. So you have everything. New customers required everything, and existing customers required everything. That's why we can call it as the BTP. It's like a one-stop shop for all your need. Whatever you need, everything is available in the BTP. Just you can go ahead and pick up the service. You can concentrate on the business logic instead of doing this kind of work stuff like landscape setup, configurations, installations, everything here. It's an so offering from the SAP BTP. It will fulfill all these requirements. BTP is a portfolio of the SAP solutions and services that all are brought under one umbrella. So these services and solutions helps organizations to build a new cloud solutions and extend the SAP ecosystems here. So in another words, we can say BTP is a bundle of many different services. So those services can be used for the innovations, development, so applications, monitoring, databases, all those things are available. Sir, you are saying that BTP, everything is available in the BTP. Where can I check what are the services and solutions they are providing in the BTP means? So if you go to the SAP Discovery Center, there is a SAP Discovery Center. In the Discovery Center, you can see the full list of SAP provided BTP services here. Maybe if you go to the here Discovery Center, so here you have the full list of the services are available in the discovery center. So whatever the services they are providing, everything is available here in the discovery center, SAP discovery center here. There are the 80 plus services are available. So this 80 plus services can help you to utilize their offering services, tools, everything you can utilize it here, right? In that there are some tools in that 80 plus services. They are the services, tools, databases, applications, and we have the some kind of AI intelligence related services here, right? So BTP that helps us to focus on the business logic. It will take care of the everything else. It will help us to take care of the everything else here. So BTP normally they have divided into the four main pillars here. All the services, tools, databases. So there all are the everything, right? Normally, if you go to the service.com, me.sap.com, SAP Marketplace, all the softwares they have arranged in the alphabetical order wise, right? If you go to the A for A related softwares, B, C, D, like that alphabetical otherwise they have arranged it. Here also, all the SAP services and solutions they have arranged in the, so they have categorized as a four main pillars here. Four main pillars in the BTP here means four main pillars. So in that application development related services. So all the application development related services they have in the development related things. Then automation kind of services, right? And also they have the integration related services they have. And also they have the fourth one, the data and the analytics related services here. The fifth pillar, we have the AI related services here. Actually, earlier we have only four main pillars here. But recently SAP introduced the one more pillar is called the AI, artificial intelligence related services in the BTP here, right? So earlier it was only four, but last 6 months onwards, they have introduced a one more pillar is called the AI related services here, right? So whatever they are offering, like services, tools, applications, instances. So all databases, everything under they have categorized into the five main pillars here, right? Here, application development here, right? Which means it's kind of a build apps, build work zone, business application studio, cloud foundry, right? So documentation services here, ADS services here, alert services here, automation pilots, everything, CTMS, cloud transport management system, all will be in the application development related stuff, right? Automation means build process automations, workflow automations, RPA, robotic process automation. That services will be in the automation kind of functionalities here, right? Integration, like integration. So like nowadays, everybody is using the CPI integrations, CPI, PI, PI to CPI integrations, interfaces, channels, workflows, event mesh. So all those things will be in the integration suite here. The next one, data and data analytics here, which means here HANA Cloud, Analytics Cloud, Data Sphere, MDZ. So those will be in the here. In the BTP, SAP is providing the two main databases here. One is the HANA Cloud and Sybase Cloud. And also we have the Data Sphere also available. It is the replacement of the is advanced of the BW systems. And we have the MDZ, Master Data Governance and Analytics Clouds also available here. Then the fifth one, which is very one is like a AI related services like AI Core, AI Launchpad, AI Business Services. So they are providing under this category. So all whatever the business is required, they have categorized into the five main pillars here. So whatever you required, you can use in BTP. You can use in BTP environment here, right? So here it will helps. It's a offering service from SAP. It will helps organizations to use these services with minimum effort, low cost, right? In one offering, they can use the BTP related services and everything here, right? So So now that's why you can see nowadays every customer, if you see, they are started, or some people are starting to implement BTP related solutions. They are extending their landscape to the BTP. So if they have already SAP systems, so if you see, they are already extending their SAP systems to the BTP. They want to use the BTP related services here, right? If it's the new customer, directly they are using the BTP related services and everything here, right? So everything here. Sir, one more thing we also heard about the BTP, they provides the tools for extending the SAP systems and applications. That is fine, but so one more thing we heard about the rise with SAP, rise with SAP here. And also one more thing we heard about the why the companies are moving to the BTP, business and technical reasons. Why companies are moving to the BTP here, right? So they can also extend their landscape, right? They can also use their existing landscape to BTP. Then why companies are moving here, right? So the main reasons are here. They move from the on-premises to companies. Normally, right? Faster innovations, less maintenance, right? So that BTP enables the cloud native development extensions without modifying the core. So they don't without modifying the core, they can extend their solutions and everything here. So that's why they are moving from on premises to cloud. And also they have the S4HANA cloud adoption. It's a side by side extension here, right? So modifying SAP core is no longer core. They don't want to modify the core SAP core coding and everything. So they can build the extension outside of the ERP. That time we can use the BTP, right? Better integration of SAP and non-SAP systems here. So they have the some services like integration suite and API and CPI. So they can integration of the SAP and SAM. And also unified data and analytics. Unified data and analytics like HANA Cloud, DataSphere, SAC, data intelligence. So the companies can build in single source of truth here. And also some companies will look like low code no code development, low code no code development. So in BTP we have the tools like like build applications, build process automation, build work zone, so that this will enable business users to create the applications, workflows and automation kind of things here, right? So and also modern development technologies, right? Mainly for the modern development tools, technologies, right? Modern development means CAP, right? Cloud programming, cloud application programming model, right? The Node.js, these are the development related things. Node.js here, Node. So Node.js, right? Kubernetes, Cloud Foundry, event driven architectures. So this will attract developers to build or modernize their enterprise IT architecture here. And also SAP is providing the AI and automation kind of functionalities in the BTP, so that SAP AI Core, AI Launchpad, Generative AI, Business AI, Intelligence Process Automation. So these things include helping companies to improve the efficiency and innovate the faster things here, right? So these are all the things we can consider. So customers are considering and they are moving to BTP. They are moving to say there are some business reasons and technical reasons. They are moving to the BTP here. Why? Because modern development, right? Less maintenance, faster innovations, licenses, right? So cloud adaptations, right? Without modifying the core integrations, there all those things are available in the BTP. So simply the customers are moving to the BTP. That's why BTP is a SAP's unified platform for the development, integration, analytics, databases, automation, and AI. All will be in the one cloud platform. It's a digital foundation where companies can build the new applications, extend the existing SAP systems, integrate the SAP, non-SAP, use the data and data analytics, right? Add the automation, workflows, AI capabilities, all unifies like database integrations, all unifies like example like database plus integrations, database integration, right? So development plus, and also we have the analytics, right? And also the extensions. So all will be in the one platform here. All will be in the one platform here. So that's why companies, they are fasterly they are moving to the BTP here, BTP, right? So here as a, this is kind of a administration course. Here we will do the entire BTP setup. Coming to the part of the scope, part of the work which we are going to do here, this is kind of a administration topics, means administration topics which we are going to discuss here. It's not the coding, full coding. There is a one topic is involved for the coding to understand how the developers will develop, but that's a optional topic. But so there is a some security related topics and administration related topics which we are going to discuss here, right? So administration related topics means, so here landscape setup, understanding the BTP landscape systems, how we are building the systems. Similarly, here we need to create the systems, and we need to enable the services, licensing model we need to understand, and also we are going to use the BAS Business Application Studio, Build Work Zone. There are some services we are going to use it here, right? So it's purely administration kind of functionalities. There is no coding involved, so that everybody can understand these concepts, right? Landscape setups, right? And also we have the BTP licensing model. This is the main important. What are the functionalities are available? What is the backbone for the BTP and everything here, right? So those things we will cover it here. I will share you the course content. Maybe you can go through it in offline. So I can, yeah, you can go through it in offline regarding the BTP, whatever the topics we are going to cover it here. Administration, some kind of security related topic like so IAS topics and IPS topic, identity authentication service, identity provisioning services, we are going to cover it here. And after that, like high level BAS and build work zone, and also CTMS, cloud transport management, cloud connectors integrations, backend integrations, right? Cloud connectors. So to integrate the on-prem systems here. Then HANA Cloud, we are going to cover it here. Then main important stuff is here. So Cloud ALM. Cloud ALM. This is one of the replacement of the solution manager here. This is all purely end-to-end. We are going to test it, integrate it, alerts, configurations, all those things we are going to test it here. And CTMS, and there are the many subtopics will come. These are the high level topics which we are going to discuss here, right? And the course duration 30 days it will take. So daily 1 hour we will discuss about this course. As part of this course, each and every session will be recorded. You will get the recorded video, the documentation, and server access to practice the backend systems and everything. So this kind of stuff you will get it out. Okay. So coming to the one more thing I want to clarify. And so rise with SAP, sir. So just want to highlight this point also. What is mean by rise with SAP here, right? So rise with SAP. This is a, so it's not a, this is also, sir, what is the rise with SAP and BTP? So rise with SAP, the BTP plays a very critical and mandatory role in the rise offering. In the rise offering, it is for rise with SAP is kind of a business transformation. Rise with SAP is like a business transformation as a service offering from SAP. It's a package. Rise with SAP is like a, so this will help to companies to move to the S4HANA cloud smoothly, become an intelligent ERP. So they are providing the some services in the Rise. Rise is like a one package with everything you need in the cloud transformation. So which means your existing ERP systems, they can go for the S4 HANA cloud in the Rise. In the Rise with SAP means they can go for the S4 HANA cloud transformation. Okay, so cloud, so transformation here in the BTP here, right? So in the why, because in the Rise they have the, in Rise is the one package here, one offering package. In that package they have included the S4 HANA cloud, public or private, and SAP BTP, and also SAP BPI, business process intelligence like Signavio. So right, process mining. So this kind of things, and also they have the some embedded tools like LTMC automation kind of things, and also they have the cloud ERP offering, and also they have the infrastructures, cloud hyperscaler, and SAP own data centers here. So these all are the in there, these all are the offering packages here. In one licensing, one contract with that concept, SAP entered into the market, that is called the RISE concept. In that RISE concept, they are providing the all this in one licensing, one contract, they are providing the all those things to the customer, so that it's a bundle of all the SAP services here. It's not a product. RISE is not a product, it's a bundle, right? So here in that BTP, in the RISE, BTP is playing the very central and mandatory role in the RISE offering here. Why? Because every company, every customer, if they move to the RISE with SAP, then definitely they need to use the BTP. Under the RISE, they can use the BTP here. Why? Because in the cloud, under the cloud RISE, they cannot customize the S4HANA extensionally, less code, no heavy above modifications are not allowed in the RISE. So they have to use the BTP related services here, clean core, easier upgrade, cloud readiness, and everything here. That's why they need to use the so BTP related services also. Even the customer moving to the RISE, definitely they need to use the BTP related services also. Okay, BTP related services also they have to use it here. Here we will discuss about the high level in the RISE migrations, how our team supports like so RISE migrations, how we have to perform it, all kind of work we will discuss in the in our classes, regular classes as well. Okay, so that's it. I think it's a small introduction. Again, we will connect with the next class with the yeah, sorry.